Hey guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and today we are talking fidgets.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
This is in collaboration with Tanya from Project Happy Home. We are continuing our series in raising emotionally complex children. My son is 5 and has anxiety and likely ADHD and sensory issues, and fidgets have been a godsend. I have to say, fidgets is something that I kind of resisted because I thought something so silly and simple cannot do much, but let me tell you, I was wrong. So if you haven't tried fidgets, you have to try them. So what is a fidget? This is our fidget basket that we have for James, by the way. And a fidget, I guess, really is anything that you manipulate with your hands that is meant to calm a person down or help them concentrate more. And to some, it might seem like they'd be distracting, but it is research-based that certain people concentrate better when they can manipulate something simple with their hands. And recently in my professional life, I got a certification at the University of Minnesota. It was a train the trainer program, so I was learning how to be a good trainer and teacher because that's what I do for my work. And we learn about fidgets, so they're for adults too. During our seminars, on our table were fidgets for us to use as we listen to the lectures, and I noticed a huge difference in myself, so they are amazing. It is a bit of a trial and error. They can be expensive. I bought $20 fidgets that I was so sure my son would love, and he picked it up once and never again. So you just need to learn what kind of thing that your son or daughter kind of is drawn to. And Amazon has some great resources. I like to start at the dollar spot at Target because you're only gonna pay $1 to $3 and then kind of figure out what your son or daughter likes. So this is our basket. This was an accident fidget. I got this in his Easter basket from the dollar spot this year, and it's just a little dinosaur, but it has like sand in it, and James really likes just to touch and feel it, and so this lives in our fidget basket now. This is my personal favorite. I have this in my desk at work now. These are just fun little colorful blocks that you can create different shapes with. I love this thing. This is amazing. I will try to link this below. This I don't even know. It's like a little Spider-Man that James really likes, and this is kind of an accidental thing. Like this could have been from a Happy Meal or something, but he just likes to kind of hold it, and it helps him calm down and concentrate. Again, accidental fidgets. I think this is from the dollar spot at Target as well. They're little caterpillars and centipedes, and I have to say, they are fun to touch. You may have seen these before. These are so fun. They're just a bunch of magnets in different shapes, and you can build different things with them. These are so fun. These are a little bit spendy, but I think they're definitely worth it. They are fun to play with. Just a couple more. These are kind of like little rattles. These are dried up plants that we got in the desert on a trip to Arizona, and they just kind of feel cool, and James likes them. I don't have a fidget spinner. That's kind of all the rage right now, and I think they work great for some kids. James does not love them, so I don't even know where ours is just because he doesn't use it often. One more. I think this is called a Jacob's ladder. This is from Target. I think it was $3. It's just kind of fun to play with. So again, find what works for your kid. I like to keep it in a little basket, and so when he has trouble concentrating or is feeling a little uneasy in his body, we can go to the fidget basket and try to find something to help him calm down. The other amazing thing is his teacher is working with us. So he is in preschool or daycare, and at his school, he has a special area with a basket much like this with fidgets in it that are just for him, because the teacher realizes that it is so beneficial for him. So some of the things I provided from home, and then she's found certain things in the classroom that really resonate with James. So he has a little calm down corner in his classroom with fidgets, which is so helpful and makes me feel so great. So give fidgets a try. Start small, start cheap, because you never know what your kids will be drawn to, and you probably already have stuff at home. As I said, some of this stuff were accidental fidgets. We just had it and we realized that it's calming to James. Give it a try. Check out Tanya's video. I can't wait to see what kind of fidgets that her son uses for his ADHD. And I hope to see you in the next video. Whatever your plans are today, I hope you get them done. Bye, guys.
Ooh.